Functional and Behavioural Adaptations by KayScience.com. Many organisms show behavioural adaptations, and these are just some examples. Some birds make a nest. They make a nest to attract a mate. The birds, often with the best looking nest, will attract mates more easily than those without. Some animals will live in areas of the world where during their winters it gets very, very cold. So what animals do is migrate. They will migrate from somewhere cold to somewhere with a warmer climate. And this can mean birds flying across the world, flying thousands and thousands of miles just to experience the warmer climate while it's cold in other parts of the world. So birds migrate from cold to warmer climates to avoid the cold. And there are some great examples of birds dancing to attract mates. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Organisms have functional adaptations. These are adaptations that occur inside the body of the organism. For example, desert animals produce very little sweat or urine. This is to conserve water. So if they urinate or sweat less, that means that more water is conserved in their bodies. Another functional adaptation of snakes is that they produce venom. This is an adaptation that occurs inside the body. Snakes produce venom to kill prey and defend themselves against other predators. Photosynthesis is another functional adaptation whereby plants are adapted to produce their own food, so they produce their own glucose in the chloroplasts of their cells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.